Give a claw back to your cat's paw. Show a kitten their little claws. Leave your kitty a nice big meal. Make sure to never double pair. Smart ways to cat. So many smart ways to cat. Smart ways to cat. So many smart ways to cat. Tama. Help your old kitty get to see. Give the strays something to eat. Give Tommy a compliment. Leave a note when you have to leave the house. Smart ways to cat. So many smart ways to cat. Smart ways to cat. So many smart ways to cat. Tama. Put down your tablet when you're able. Thank God for being nice to our cats. Give your kitty a hug or two. Would you like to get hugged too? Smart ways to cat. So many smart ways to cat. Smart ways to cat. So many smart ways to cat. Always stay with your kitty, don't let it defeat them. Treat your cats like you'd want them to treat you. Main healthy cat environment. Always try your best to save your cat. Help your cats. They may not rhyme, but they need to be done. The smartest ways to cat. Smartest ways to cat. The smartest ways to cat. So many smart ways to cat. Be mindful of your cats. A message from Fight for Our Cats.